वेलकम टू माय स्टडी चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद है आपने JKSSB अकाउंट्स असिस्टेंट का सिलेबस देख लिया होगा। अगर नहीं भी देखा है तो कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि आज से हमने सिलेबस के अनुसार ही वीडियोस बनाने का फैसला किया है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा फर्स्ट वीडियो जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर आधारित है उस टॉपिक का नाम है साइंस MCQs एंड द चैप्टर इज न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स। न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स एंड plants. So friends, without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is which of the following has the longest small intestine? Which of the following has the longest intestine, small intestine? Here option A is the right answer, that is carnivore. Carnivore has longest small intestine. Next question is the process of obtaining food by amoeba is known as. Option C is the right answer, that is phagocytosis. Next question is the organism having parasitic mode of nutrition is. Option is correct option is option B, that is Plasmodium. Plasmodium is the organism having parasitic mode of nutrition. Next question is one of the following organisms has a saprophytic mode of nutrition. This organism is. Option A is the right answer, that is mushroom. Mushroom organism has a saprophytic mode of nutrition. Option A is the right answer. Next question is the length of small intestine in a human adult is about. जो human adults होते हैं उनमें small intestine की length कितनी होती है? Option D is the right answer, that is 6.5 meter. The process of digestion of food in human beings begins in. Option C is the right answer, that is mouth. कहाँ पे होती है digestion की process शुरू? human beings में, mouth में. Next question is the process of digestion in humans is completed in. Option B is the right answer, that is small intestine. The process of digestion in humans is completed in small intestine. Next question is in human digestive system bile is secreted. Why? In human digestive system bile is secreted by. Option B is the right answer, that is liver. liver में जो bile है वो secreted होता है. Next question is two of the following organisms have a holozoic mode of nutrition. These organisms are. These organisms are. Option C is the right answer, that is Pracheet and Paramecium. Pracheet and Paramecium is the right answer. Friends, you have no need to learn these options, but you have a great need to revise these options, because एग्जाम के दौरान आपने खाली ऑप्शन को टिक करना है, राइट ऑप्शन के ऊपर आपने जो है टिक करना है. सो फ्रेंड्स, नो नीड टू वरी, नो नीड टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स. Remember the spellings, you have to tick the right option only. So try to revise these options 2 or 3 times. Next question is the autotropic mode of nutrition requires. The autotropic mode of nutrition requires. Here option D is the right answer, all of the above. Option A is carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll और sunlight. जो ऑटोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन है उसको किस किस की जरूरत पड़ती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर की, क्लोरोफिल की और सनलाइट की. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव, यानी कि उपरोक्त सभी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेप ऑकरिंग इन न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स इज. द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेप ऑकरिंग इन न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स इज. हियर ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज IDAAE. IDAAE. You have to learn this sequence. IDAAE. यानी कि ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption and exhaustion. Next question, option B is the right answer. Next question is if the saliva is lacking in salivary amylase, then which of the following processes taking place in the cavity will be affected? Here in these options, here 4 options are given. Here 4 options are given and the right option is option B. Right option is option B, that is trypsin, digestion, emulsified fats and lipase proteins. No. Option B is the right answer, that is starch breaking down into sugars. If the saliva is lacking in salivary amylase, then which of the following processes taking place in the cavity will be affected? तो ये क्या बोल रहा है? ऑप्शन बी जो है राइट आंसर है, स्टार्च ब्रेकिंग डाउन इनटू शुगर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द करेक्ट फंक्शन ऑफ टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ पैनक्रेटिक यूज, trypsin and next is lipase. So here 4 options are given. Option D is the right answer, that is trypsin digests proteins and lipase emulsified fats. जो trypsin है वो डाइजेस्ट करता है प्रोटीन्स को और lipase emulsified करता है किसको? फैट्स को. Next question is the oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants comes from. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants comes from. Here 4 options are given and the right answer is option B, that is water. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants comes from किसे? Water से. Next question is which of the following is an incorrect statement? Here energy is essential for life process. ये तो सही है. Organisms grow with time. ये भी सही है. Next is movement of molecules does not take place among cells. Movement of molecules does not take place among cells. This is wrong. ठीक है. उसके बाद में D is organisms must repair and maintain their body. ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. So option C is the right answer. Movement of molecules does not take place among cells. This is incorrect statement. Next question is the internal energy, जिसे बोलते हैं cellular energy, reserves in autotrophs is. Option D is the right answer, that is starch. The internal energy cellular energy से हम बोलते हैं reserves in autotrophs is starch. Next question is in human digestive system the enzyme pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by. किनके द्वारा? ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज स्टोमक एंड पैनक्रीज. इन ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम द एंजाइम्स पेप्सिन एंड ट्रिप्सिन आर secreted respectively by. Option D is the right answer, that is stomach and pancreas. Next question is when carrying out the starch test of a leaf, why is it important to boil the leaf in alcohol? Here option C is the right answer, to remove the chlorophyll. जो अल्कोहल में हम जो है बॉईल करते हैं पत्ते को, वो क्यों करते हैं? ताकि क्लोरोफिल को रिमूव किया जा सके. सो ऑप्शन C is the right answer. Next question is pancreatic juice contains enzymes which digest. Pancreatic juice contains enzymes which digest. क्या करता है डाइजेस्ट को? Option D is the right answer, that is proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Which of the following is the correct statement regarding bile? Which of the following is the correct statement regarding bile? Option D is the right answer, that is secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. ठीक है. Which of the following is the correct statement regarding bile? जो bile है वो secreted होता है liver में and stored होता है gallbladder में. ठीक है. Option D is the right answer. Next question is where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? Where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? Option D is the right answer, that is stomach. Stomach में proteins firstly digest होते हैं in the alimentary canal में. ठीक है. Option D is the right answer, that is stomach. Where are the proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? Answer is option D, that is stomach. Stomach में जो है digest होते हैं alimentary canal में. Next question is the inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from the harmful effect of hydrochloric acid. This is the inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from the harmful effect of hydrochloric acid. This is option B is the right answer, that is mucus. The inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from the harmful effect of hydrochloric acid. This is mucus. Next question is which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? Option B is the right answer, that is small intestine. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? Option B is the right answer, that is small intestine. Small intestine से alimentary canal क्या receive करती है? Bile receive करती है from the liver. Next question is, next and last question is, which of the following components of our food is digested by an enzyme which is present in saliva as well as in pancreatic juice? Which of the following components of our food is digested by an enzyme which is present in saliva as well as in pancreatic juice? Option A is proteins, B is fats, C is minerals and D is carbohydrates. So friends, option D is the right answer, that is carbohydrates. ठीक है, तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है कंपोनेंट ऑफ आवर फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड बाय एन एंजाइम व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन सैलिवा एज वेल एज इन पैनक्रियाटिक जूस. कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है उसमें प्रेजेंट होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी हैव डन दीज क्वेश्चंस. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आप मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं तो प्लीज आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुंच जाए. सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप जो है मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक्स, बाय बाय.